The S-400 Triumph NATO reporting name, SA-21 Growler, is an air defense missile system developed by Almaz Central Design Bureau of Russia. The new system replaced the S-300P and S-200 air defense systems of the Russian Army. The S-400 was developed as an upgrade of the S-300 series of surface-to-air missile systems. The S-400 Triumph air defense system integrates a multifunction radar, autonomous detection and targeting systems, anti-aircraft missile systems, launchers, and command and control center. It is capable of firing 3 types of missiles to create a layered defense. The system can engage all types of aerial targets, including aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles (UAV), and ballistic and cruise missiles, within the range of 400 kilometers at an altitude of up to 30 kilometers. The system can simultaneously engage 36 targets. The S-400 is twice as effective as the previous Russian air defense systems and can be deployed within 5 minutes. The S-400 missile system uses 4 new missile types, in addition to the missiles of the S-300 PMU system. The first missile inducted for the system was the 48N6DM 48N6E3. It can also be integrated into the existing and future air defense units of the Air Force, Army, and Navy. It is an improved variant of the 48N6M with a powerful propulsion system. The missile can destroy airborne targets within the range of 250 kilometers. The 40N6 missile of the S-400 has a claimed range of 400 kilometers and uses active radar homing to intercept air targets at great distances. It can be launched against AWACS, JSTROs, EA-6B support jammers, and other high-value targets. The S-400 Triumph also launches 9M96E and 9M96E2 far-range ground-to-air missiles. Designed for direct impact, the missiles can strike fast-moving targets such as fighter aircraft with a high hit probability. The maximum range of the 9M96 missile is 120 kilometers. The 55K6E command and control system of the S-400 Triumph is based on the Euro 53-231 mobile command post vehicle. The command post is equipped with LCD consoles to process the airspace surveillance data of the individual batteries. It controls and monitors long-range surveillance radar, tracks airborne threats, prioritizes the threats, and coordinates other batteries. The fire control and target tracking radar of the S-400 is the 92N6E. The radar is based on the MZKT 7938x8 vehicle. The 96L6 Cheeseboard 3D surveillance and tracking radar is optionally carried by the same vehicle when the S-400 battery is deployed autonomously. The 91N6E Big Bird acquisition and battle management radar of the S-400 is based on the 8x8 trailer. The radar can detect and track aircraft, rotorcraft, cruise missiles, guided missiles, drones, and ballistic rockets within the distance of 600 kilometers. The system is also capable of exchanging data with other defense systems, such as SA-12, SA-23, and S-300. The SP-85T2 launchers are based on the BAZ-600 and 4022 6x6 tractor truck, or MAZ-700, and 9100 series transporter, erector launcher, TEL vehicle. The TEL vehicle can carry up to 4 launch tubes holding a mix of missiles, with an additional 2 battalions if they are within a 40-kilometer, 25 miles, range. The 92N6E is a multifunctional radar with a 400-kilometer, 250 miles range, which can track 100 targets. The 5P85TE2 launcher and the 5P85SE2 on a trailer up to 12 launchers are used for launch. The 48N6E, 48N6E2, 48N6E3, 48N6DM, 9M96E, 9M96E2, and the ultra-long-range 40N6E missiles have been authorized by a Russian presidential decree. Optional elements of the S-400 98ZA6E include the 15I6Me 98ZA6E, which extends coverage 30, 60, and 90 kilometers, 19, 38, and 57 miles from that provided by the 30K6E. The 96L6E has a 300-kilometer, 190 miles detection range. The 40V6M is housing for the 92N6E or 96L6E radar. The Protivnik GE is an anti-stealth UHF radar with a 400-kilometer, 250 miles range. The Moscow 1 passive sensor is two times more effective than the Protivnik, with a 400-kilometer, 250 miles range Orion for a target designation on the air defense system, and the Avtobaza M and Orion. Avtobaza add high precision detection. The 1RL220V versions were reportedly used for jamming. The 400-kilometer, 250 miles range S-200D Dubna, SA-5 missiles, and S-300P family radar systems can be used without additional command and control centers. S-300, SA-20A, SA-20B missiles may also be guided. A 50 and a 50U aircraft provide early warning and commanding and control target designation. One reason for American apprehension would be that S-400 collects electronic data from any aircraft it targets. The system's VHF component provides sector search and tracking, with the X and L-band components providing fine tracking capability. Good placement of the radars relative to the threat axis enables the L and X-band components to illuminate the incoming target from angles where the target radar cross-section RCS is suboptimal. The RLMM and the NEVO-M should be capable of producing high-quality tracks suitable for mid-course guidance of modern surface-to-air missiles. Russia's S-400 Triumph, often referred to as the SA-21 Growler within NATO circles, is widely touted as one of, if not the most capable air defense systems in the world. With the ability to leverage a variety of missiles to engage different air threats, an engagement range of nearly 250 miles, and widely praised counter-stealth capabilities, the S-400 has gained a reputation as one of the few systems capable of countering America's air dominance approach to warfare. The S-400's field of view is limited by the horizon when not networked with other assets, particularly airborne ones like AWACS or tether balloons called aerostats. Russia's approach to warfare calls for using advanced air defense systems to mitigate the effectiveness of enemy air defenses and aircraft alike, all while using a high volume of artillery, rocket, and missile fire to gain and leverage fire superiority. The S-400 support ground forces to these ends, rather than serving as the primary means of taking control over the battle space. The S-400's counter-stealth claims come largely thanks to the inclusion of Russia's NEVO and radar system that combines 3 different arrays that broadcast on different frequency bands to detect, track. The S-400 air defense missile system features new missiles. 4 new missile types were added. It can also launch missiles of the S-300 PME-2. A single TEL vehicle can carry a mix of 4 missiles, depending on specific threat environment.